we will to parachute on the guns of the forces. Get ready. Airborne from skies of blue, heading the blue. We're coming. Make your jumps and take your boats today. Let's go put on your boots, your jumping boots, your parachute, your parachute.
So welcome back to the Have a Knife Day table. So what we have here is my first purchase from McCoun. This was purchased back in 2022. And I recently wore this over the Easter holiday. Mark McCown 2022. This is currently 2024. I enjoy wearing fixed blade knives where appropriate on my adventures around town. This is the Tomahawk collaboration, the first one I did with them. This is the Frontier Pole Tomahawk. They were gracious enough to let me know where they source their curly maple tomahawk handles. I love curly maple. And I already have a video of this, so I'm not going to go too in-depth with this. The leather mask that I made, and you can see the cross rifles for a nod to my infantry heritage. And now to our recent project. Now, if I'm not mistaken, this is the Eastern Woodland Spike Tomahawk, 4140 steel axe head. You can see that this one is a lot lighter. The stippling, the burning, the boiled linseed wood oil, and the whole 9 yards, put into a tube, shipped off to Virginia. Now, they made this mask. I do not feel the need to make a mask on my own for this one because they did such a fine job. And I really don't want to make another mask right now. I just not in the mood for it. So I've been doing a lot of research on our Native American heritage, a lot of study on YouTube, and that's what encouraged me to get another tomahawk project, especially the Spike Hawk. There is a maker's mark here. I'll take a picture of that and put it up there for you so you can see it. This is beautiful. It's so very light and nimble in the hand, and it is, I can't wait to wear this out in the woods. Lord knows I need to go out in the woods. I feel that going out into nature is very healing in this day and age. Just go out and enjoy Mother Nature. So here we go. Now, let me maneuver everything over here. Another project done. What fun it was to share this with you. I'm here to encourage you to, sure, you can go out there and buy things, but if you can have the opportunity, maybe doing a collaboration like I did with the McCowns, go ahead and take it. The mask, for this mask here, there's probably 3 or 4 that are in my scrap pile. It's okay to fail in projects. Take what you failed and turn it into the success of your next project, okay? Make something that is unique to yourself. Make your own family heirlooms. And with that, thank you so much for spending time here with me today. If you have any questions you want to ask me later on, feel free to do so. All relevant links will be in the descriptions. And as always, have a nice day.
We will to parachute on the guns of the force.